Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a very special unboxing. I've only found one other YouTuber unboxing these, and I think it's very important that there are reviews to these cigars and that they become more popular. These cigars are custom rolls from Fabrica5. I've ordered 2 samplers to try it before I actually commit to bundles, because these come like in Cuban cigars. These come in bundles of 25, but they also come in samples of 5 packs. So I ordered 2. Let me show you them. Okay, so the first bundle that we bought is a bundle of Lanceros. These are 5 hand-rolled Lanceros, and they cost £46 for 5, which I think you can never ever get a pack this cheap. And the next cigars that I bought are the samplers of Piramides. These are from 2023, and these were £54, which again, for this price, it's very hard to achieve that. In terms of sizes, these are 155 millimeters by 52 ring gauge, and the Lanceros are 190 millimeters by 38 ring gauge. Again, in terms of what they write on the website for the Lanceros, they write they were trying to achieve a mix of Montecristo Especial and a Por la Larrañaga Monte Carlos. And for the Piramides, they write it's a mixture between Ramon Alones and a Partagas P2 or Diplomaticus P2, or they say also Montecristo number 2. So it's a really interesting blend. Again, a disclaimer, I've never tasted these before, but let's have a look. So these are the Lanceros. They have a nice pigtail, as you expect from Lanceros. There's 5 of these in here. Again, these also come in bundles as well, but I didn't want to commit to so many cigars before I actually bought, before I actually tried them. So there's 4 here, and there's another 1 more in the package. Now the nice thing is they write exactly which year it is, and this, as you can see, this has already been been made almost a year and a bit ago. So they do have some age. Nonetheless, these just arrived this morning, so I'll put them in my humidor before I taste any of them. And then let's have a look at the Piramides. Now, I personally, Piramides is one of my favorite Vitolas, so it's something that I'm quite looking forward to smoke. A little word that I've heard, someone told me that the cigars in James J. Fox here in London on St. James Street, they have a house blend, is actually Fabrica5 cigars. Cannot confirm nor deny that, but just look at these, beautiful. The wrapper looks really nice. It's got I think that's triple cap. No, it's actually the same. No, it's just one single cap, I think. And these, if I wish you can smell them, they smell really good. So we have 5 of these as well. What I will be doing is I'll be putting them in my humidor for a couple months, and then I will be tasting one, see what they taste like, and I hope to do a follow-up video, and hopefully that I enjoy them and I'll buy a few more. But for now, this has been my review for Fabrica5 cigars, unboxing, not yet review, and I hope to do a follow-up as well. Now, Fabrica5 is a company that was founded by 2 renowned rollers. One is called Rob Ayala. He's the owner of Bond Roberts Cigar Auction House, and Hamlet Paredes, which they're both former masters of, and rollers of cigars. And they have a very unique way to do cigar blending and, to show off what their creations are. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.